Good evening and thank you for watching NMB News. On Saturday morning about 10 a.m., officials said an industrial fire broke out at the factory at 17360 Premium Drive near the Hockley Recreational Complex on Washington Road.
Well, in this particular type of fire, we know that chemicals are involved. We were fortunate that Tri-County Fire Department got here. We have various fire departments, over 9 of them here. Almost 60 firefighters are here. We were able to get that chemical determined. We were able to get that part under control. But now what you're seeing is a lot of plastics. Just like Commissioner said, what you're going to have is, this is a facility that works on those plastics, and as we pull hot spots out, you're going to see that fire, oxygen gets there, and you're going to see a little bit more smoke than that. But we'll be fighting that probably for the next 2 to 3 hours. And once that's out, then that part will be just as at first, one of the things we always worry about, and I want to say Pollution Control was out here doing monitoring right away. We want to worry about what's in the smoke, what's in the chemicals. What we found is, now that it's a lot of plastics, it's not necessarily a hazard, but you know what happens is, and I can say this myself as a person who suffers from asthma, anytime we breathe in something differently, we struggle to breathe a little bit. So we just want to make sure people stayed inside, or at least got out of there until the smoke dissipated. And as you can see, that is starting to occur. And that part will go down, and then what will end up happening is our investigators will go in and really start investigating what occurred, start doing the interviews, finding out what processes were followed, as well as our inspections group. And right now our hazardous materials team is going to stay on scene to ensure the safety of the responders.
The reason why it is within a half-a-mile radius of the fire that prompted the evacuation was there was plastic and chemicals burning in that industrial fire. As of 3 p.m., the shelter-in-place and evacuation orders have been lifted, but officials said the crews continue to work to put out the hot spots. Now, according to the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office, the investigation into the cause of the fire is ongoing, but a stop work order was issued for the business. Harris County Fire Marshal's inspectors also determined the business did not have appropriate permits. The authorities said the materials inside the building included used recycled motor oil and recycled plastics. Now, several steel drums tilt over inside the warehouse, which fed the fire, according to the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. Now, the officials said about 55 personnel from 10 different agencies worked the scene, and also there were no injuries reported.